Today is a special day. Everything is prepared with love. Washing tomatoes and green chilies. Slow roasting peanuts brings out the perfect flavor. Smooth and creamy, just perfect for our curry. Cutting green chilies. The aroma makes every celebration special. Roast slowly for deep, delicious flavors. Adding salt, black pepper, kasuri methi, and garam masala. Adding yogurt. Let's boil the potatoes until they're soft and tender. Soft, perfectly boiled potatoes are ready for our delicious koftas. Cutting green chilies. Every ingredient is mixed with love and care. Golden and crispy Sabudana Kofta. Now adding the kofta fried into the curry. Garnishing with fresh coriander. Sabudana papads will complete our meal. Perfectly crisp and ready to serve Sabudana Papad. Every grain is filled with care and tradition. Clean rice makes fluffy, fragrant Jeera rice. The aroma of Jeera rice fills the home with happiness. Simple, fragrant, and made with love. Gently roast the sabudana for a rich, nutty flavor. A smooth powder makes the Phirni rich and creamy. Fresh milk is very important for delicious Phirni. Slowly add sabudana roasted and dry fruits powder in it. Just a few saffron strands add royal flavor. Adding saffron and sugar makes every bite unforgettable. It's ready to be served. Every beautiful dessert deserves a beautiful finish. Everything is ready for our special celebration. This is absolutely delicious.
We're so proud of you.
Please enjoy the meal. I made everything with love for this special day.
Everything looks wonderful.
The food is absolutely delicious. The best gift is seeing our family together. Happy anniversary, Mom and Dad. I love you both. Love, family, and togetherness make every celebration unforgettable. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video.